Every business prides itself on its security perimeter, its main wall of defense. But what if the greatest threat to your organization isn't a direct attack, but a vulnerability lurking in a company you rely on? We're talking about supply chain cyber risk, and it is your invisible weak link. When we talk about a cyber supply chain, we're not just talking about physical parts. We're talking about the extended network of third-party vendors, software providers, and managed service partners, MSPs, that have digital access to your critical data or systems. Think of the accounting software you use, the cloud service provider that hosts your data, or the simple security camera vendor that's connected to your network. Every one of these connections is a potential gateway for an attacker, a soft underbelly to your highly fortified system. This risk is so dangerous because the attacker doesn't need to defeat your best security. They just need to find the weakest link in your partner ecosystem. Cyber criminals will often target a smaller vendor with poor security practices, compromise their system, and then use their trusted access to launch a highly damaging attack on you. The worst part? Since the attack originated from a trusted source, your own security tools might wave it right past the gate. We've seen this happen on a massive scale. In the 2013 cyber attack on the major US retail company Target during the holiday season, hackers stole credit and debit card data from up to 40 million shoppers. The hackers gained access through the credentials of a third-party HVAC vendor. The devastating SolarWinds attack that began in 2019 involved attackers injecting malicious code into a legitimate software update, which then spread to thousands of government and corporate customers across the globe. More recently, attacks like MoveIt in 2023 demonstrated how compromising a single, widely used file transfer tool can impact hundreds of organizations downstream, and exposing the personal data of approximately 93.3 million individuals. These weren't direct hits, they were attacks by proxy. So, what can you do to mitigate this invisible risk? Map and vet your supply chain. You cannot protect what you don't know. You must identify every single third party that touches your sensitive data or critical systems. Perform due diligence. Don't just trust. Verify their security standards before you sign a contract. Limit access and practice least privilege. Never give a vendor more access than they absolutely need to do their job. If they only manage your HVAC system, they shouldn't have access to your financial servers. This aligns with the zero trust architecture principle. Never automatically trust anything inside or outside your perimeter. Continuous monitoring. Cybersecurity is not a one-time audit. Use tools to continuously monitor the security posture of your key vendors. Look for outdated software, unpatched systems, and poor cyber hygiene. Security clauses in contracts. Make cybersecurity requirements explicitly part of the legal contract with every vendor, detailing standards for encryption, incident response, and regular audits. Supply chain cyber risk is a modern business reality. It requires a shift in mindset, moving from securing just your own company to securing your extended digital ecosystem. By understanding these hidden vulnerabilities and actively managing the security of your partners, you transform your greatest weakness into a collective strength. Don't wait for the attack to happen. Start strengthening your entire chain today.